Most businesses think digital marketing is all about posting daily, boosting ads for $200, and waiting for miracles. But the truth? A lot of brands are unknowingly sabotaging their own growth. Today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest digital marketing mistakes. Most businesses are marketing to everyone, and that means they're actually marketing to no one. Mistake 2. No consistent content strategy. Posting randomly is not a strategy, it's noise. Mistake 3. Ignoring data and running on guesswork. Mistake 4. Weak website, landing page. Mistake 5. Expecting instant results. Digital marketing is not magic. It's momentum plus consistency plus optimization. Final message, conclusion plus value. If you avoid these 5 mistakes, your digital marketing will not just improve, it will transform. Know who you're speaking to. Show up consistently. Let data guide your decisions. Fix your landing pages. Stay patient and strategic. Digital marketing isn't about luck, it's about smart strategy.